Trumbull County, Ohio. Mechanical Contractor License Bond. What is Trumbull County, Ohio Mechanical Contractor License Bond? The Trumbull County, Ohio Mechanical Contractor License Bond is a type of surety bond required for contractors who install, repair, or maintain mechanical systems like HVAC. It acts as a financial guarantee that the contractor will follow local codes, regulations, and licensing rules. If the contractor fails to meet these obligations, the bond provides compensation to affected parties. Why is Trumbull County, Ohio Mechanical Contractor License Bond required? This bond is required to protect the public and the county from financial loss caused by improper or incomplete mechanical work. It ensures that contractors operate legally and meet safety and building standards set by local authorities. By requiring the bond, Trumbull County promotes accountability and trust in the construction and mechanical industry. How does Trumbull County, Ohio Mechanical Contractor License Bond work? The bond involves three parties: the contractor principal, the county obligee, and the surety company. If the contractor violates regulations or causes damages, a claim can be filed against the bond for compensation. The surety may pay valid claims, but the contractor is ultimately responsible for reimbursing the surety. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.